7 must-know seasonal considerations for herb hydroponic kits. Introduction. Hydroponic herb gardening is an efficient way to grow herbs year-round. This guide covers 7 crucial seasonal considerations for optimal herb cultivation. Lighting. Importance, crucial for healthy herb growth. Types of lighting: LED, fluorescent, HID lights, each with specific advantages. Lighting schedule, adjust lighting duration and intensity for seasonal changes. Light intensity, varies by herb, adjust for optimal growth. Seasonal adjustments, mimic natural seasonal light changes for ideal results. Temperature control. Seasonal variations, adjust temperature based on season for best herb growth. Optimal ranges, different herbs thrive in specific temperature ranges, e.g., basil, mint, thyme. Managing fluctuations, implement strategies to handle temperature swings for stable growing conditions. Nutrient solution. Seasonal needs, adjust nutrient solutions based on herb growth cycle and seasonal changes. Sustained growth, provide essential nutrients for year-round growth. Flavor development, well-balanced nutrient solutions enhance herb flavors. Maintenance, regularly check pH, EC levels, and irrigation to maintain nutrient consistency. Humidity. Transpiration, high humidity reduces transpiration, low humidity increases it, affecting plant health. Nutrient uptake, proper humidity ensures efficient nutrient absorption. Metabolic processes, influences photosynthesis and respiration. Seasonal adjustments, ventilation and humidity control needed during high/low humidity periods. Space requirements. Plant spacing, adjust based on specific herb needs, e.g., basil 8 to 10 inches, parsley 6 inches. Vertical space, some herbs grow tall, provide support for upward growing plants. Adaptability, plan for modifications as plants grow to avoid overcrowding. Light distribution, ensure proper light access across all plants based on arrangement. Herb selection. Spring herbs, chives, mint, thrive in fluctuating temperatures. Summer herbs, basil, lavender, require ample sunlight and regular watering. Fall herbs, thyme, sage, suited for cooler weather. Winter herbs, rosemary, oregano, hardy herbs for cold conditions. Maintenance. Regular checkups, monitor pH, nutrient levels, and system integrity. Spring, deep clean system, replace worn components. Summer, adjust nutrient and water levels due to heat, protect plants from excessive sunlight. Fall, insulate system, prune plants, prepare for winter. Winter, lower nutrient levels, protect from freezing. Conclusion. Hydroponic kits offer a sustainable way to grow herbs year-round. Proper lighting, temperature control, nutrient balance, humidity, space management, and herb selection ensure success. Seasonal adjustments and regular maintenance are key for healthy, thriving herbs. Create a vibrant herb garden that enhances culinary dishes and your home environment. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our guide to hydroponic herb gardening. Your support inspires us to keep growing and sharing more gardening tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own gardening experiences or questions. Stay tuned for more Green Thumb adventures.